8 Best Tips for PUBG Better Gameplay. Before video starting, subscribe my channel. 1. Set up PUBG Mobile game profile correctly. For those who are just about to start their PUBG journey, the following information could prove handy for setting up their PUBG profile. A new user has to log in to create a new profile. There are several ways to do that, and you may use Google's Play Game, Facebook, Twitter, or guest account. If you choose to connect with Facebook or Twitter or Google Play, you can sync your progress. If you log in using social accounts such as Facebook or Twitter, it will be easier to team up with your friends for duo or squad game. 2. Choose between FPP versus TPP. It is somewhat a personal choice, but it is important. Therefore, choose between third-person view or first-person view as per your preference. To change that, go to Select Mode option and check top bar to choose between third-person view (TPP) or first-person view (FPP) options. 3. Choose between solo, duo or squad. As I mentioned before, in PUBG you can either play solo or team up with a friend for duo match. In squad mode, up to 4 people can team up together. To choose your preferred mode, go to Select Mode, Team greater than select Solo, Duo or Squad mode and hit OK. 4. Select right graphics quality. Choose graphics setting accordingly. To do so, go tap on Settings icon, Graphics. Also, you are advised to keep Auto Adjust Graphics turned on, which automatically lowers the graphics setting in case of a performance drop. 5. Check server ping or change server. The PUBG Mobile is a game which is dependent on the internet. A lot depends on PUBG servers. So before you start gaming, don't forget to check server ping. To choose, hit Select Mode right below the Start button. Look at the top left corner and choose your server. 6. Make sure Enabled Aim Assist is enabled. Unless you are a pro, you should keep Aim Assist turned on, as it proves beneficial while aiming for a kill. To do so, go to Settings, Basic, Aim Assist, Enable. 7. Enable Open Doors. There's also a possibility that you accidentally open a door at the wrong time. Still, I personally prefer to keep it turned on. Go to Settings, Basic, Auto Open Doors, Enable. 8. Decide your landing spot carefully. Touching the ground on the right spot is important, as all it takes is a bullet to knock you down. Picking the right spot could be tricky, as the high loot places are also the high-risk zones. There are several hot zones on each PUBG map. 9. Enable left side trigger button. In PUBG setting, there is an option to add a trigger button on the left-hand side. It is really handy when you are scooping or while knocking out an opponent on the go. To enable the feature, go to Settings, Basic, Display left side fire button, always on. 11. Choose your play mode, Classic or Arcade. There are 2 play modes in PUBG, Mobile Classic and Arcade. In Classic mode, there are 100 players who compete with each other. The Arcade mode, on the other hand, offers War, Quick Match, Sniper training and mini-zone options to select and play. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and for more videos, subscribe my channel.